Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing the device and starting the update. First, plug in or confirm battery at 50% or higher so the install won't stop. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and failed downloads. Once connected, open Settings and go to System or Software Update. This is where updates live. You're doing these steps now to minimize interruptions and to ensure the download completes successfully. So back up important data before you tap Download or check for updates. You'll now download and install the update. Tap Check for updates and read the release notes so you know what changes and the download size. Once you tap Download, make sure Wi-Fi stays connected and avoid heavy multitasking. Large files may take time. After the download completes, you'll be prompted to install, tap it, and the phone will reboot into an installer. During installation, do not power off. This sequence ensures files apply correctly and prevents data corruption or repeated failures. Once the update finishes, you'll see a brief setup. Follow on-screen prompts and sign back into accounts if needed. Make sure apps run and settings are intact. Clear app caches if something misbehaves. If the update fails, free at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage and retry the download. Many failures stem from low space. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to isolate problematic apps, and only consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.